Baddie Bestie. Welcome to my page. It's day 6 unboxing. This is the unboxing of Baddies Budgets 12 Days of Budgeting Advent Calendar, the aesthetic Baddies box. So if you're interested, hopefully this is for you. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications to all so you know when I upload my next video. So it looks like we got some cash envelopes with this as well. Alright, let me move this part off and then we're going to get into it. It looks like it's a personal ring size, and I'm assuming that it does have the rings in there because we got those cash envelopes. Alright, so we do have the tracking inserts as well. So this has the silver hardware, just like some of the other items that I opened. It has the silver hardware. So it does have your credit card slots here. Okay, and it has a coin purse here. The zipper coin purse there. Well, pouch. And it has some more card slots, and then it has a pen holder. Alright, so here are the trackers. I like the trackers that they have in here too. And the trackers are back and front. And I know like in the velvet binder where we got like 6. So probably got 6 in this one too. Yep, we got 6 trackers. So we got plenty of trackers to track our transactions. I'm going to put that there. Let's go ahead and open up the cash envelopes. And it looks like there's a motivational phrase on the cash envelopes. Alright, this says minimum effort doesn't mean minimum results. Alright, this says clarity is currency. Build slow, stack steady. Financial clarity is the real flex. Freedom is the reward. Discipline is the vibe. The player is peace. The tool is budget. Alright, so we got those. I love these cash envelopes that they have in here because I think this will be my first set that has the pouch in the back. I don't have that. So that is new for me, and I can't wait to add the cash envelopes to what I do in 2026. Not sure if I'm gonna keep the wallet. The wallet might end up being a giveaway. Yeah, the wallet probably will be a giveaway item that I would do. Because I don't need the wallet, but definitely will you keep the cash envelopes and the trackers. But let me know your thoughts, bestie, of today's unboxing. Please like, share, and engage with me in the comments. Toodles!